to be the 9:20 a.m. update, weather update. So we'll just get the stuff loaded here. And so let's go to the National Hurricane Center first things first. You're gonna be happy to hear that it's all gone, everything. So yeah. So there's and then let's go to the current alerts and stuff. So we have a special marine warning in effect for right here. Don't really know what that's called because I don't live in Florida. And so now let's go check the Day 1 outlook. So today we have two slight risks. One extending from central Nebraska, going all the way to central Iowa. That has an elevated tornado risk. We could potentially be seeing a tornado watch today as well. Don't have a tornado risk for this over there. That's just wind risk only. This one's also both a hail and wind risk and tornado risk. So all modes of severe weather are possible within that big yellow thing that says slight there. Like right in there. And then so the next tomorrow we have a slight risk from central Iowa again all the way into Canada. That has a small hail threat, big wind threat, and a very small tornado threat. And then the day 3 outlook is a marginal risk extending from northern North Dakota to the eastern seaboard and beyond. It probably stretches all the way, maybe it's even to Bermuda. And then so let's go look at the models for today. Let's go look at the models for here, and I'm actually gonna go to the rapid refresh, the regular one. Actually, no. Trying to find one that has I'll just try the HR. It shows, sorry, I slept into like 8:40 something, so. It shows a big cluster of storms moving towards Chicago. It reaches there at 18C, which would be, that's 8 p.m., 7 p.m., 6 p.m., 5 p.m., 4 p.m., 3 p.m., 2 p.m. Alright, so that should reach Chicago by 1 p.m. So then that would be 2 p.m., 3 p.m., so it should be all better by 4 p.m. for Chicago's area, and better at 22Z for all of Chicago, all of the last area. And it shows it developing into a squall line, like right as it goes past Chicago, so we'll see how stuff plays out. Very small tornado risk. Actually, no tornado risk, I'm pretty sure, for, hold on. There was a site I used to do, not Clucky. Oh. It was Tropical Tidbits. I would actually say that there's no tornado risk from, come on. There would be no, hold on. Great. That should be good. Yep, it's the exact same stuff right there. Yeah, so with this, I'd say that there's no tornado risk from like there's an existing tornado risk, but it's very small past this line. Southeast of this line right here has a very small chance of a tornado. Wait, can you alright. So from that line, I'd say that's just my prediction. So that includes Chicago has a smaller risk. Rockford, you don't have a risk. Well, that's just according to me. And that line goes all the way from Iowa to Michigan. And so after we go past that, let's go take a sounding right here. Yeah, it definitely weakens. So yeah, that's gonna be oh no, I forgot Alright, so we have 96W, which is currently over the Philippines right now. Tropical Cyclone 01S, which is actually, I guess, moving southwest or something, because, don't know, it's not really, like, moving at all, so, yeah. But, alright, so that'll be all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. I'll probably be doing an update later today, around either lunchtime or, yeah, somewhere there. Alright, thanks for watching. No comments, alright, bye.